Glory! This is something to shout about. It's that time of the year when we embark on projects which are acts of kindness in commemoration of the birthday of our man of God, Reverend Dr. Chris Oyakhilome, DSc DD. It is the Loveworld Global Day of Service. It's time to roll up your sleeves in service and win souls by discharging services of kindness. This year, we're making it even bigger and better with more lasting impact. We are set to achieve 2 million unique acts of kindness through ourselves, churches, ministry departments, families, and as individuals. Join us as we set up soup kitchens across the globe to cater for the needy, irrespective of their color, race, religion, ethnic, or cultural affiliations. It is an expression of love for everyone. We'll also organize free medical fairs, visit and show kindness to people in prison and correctional centers in different parts of the world, while organizing special programs for the senior citizens in our communities. Join us to inspire the mindset of kindness and selfless service while saturating the world with the love of Christ. Let us celebrate our man of God with the 2023 Loveworld Global Day of Service. For more information, visit www.dec7.org/day of service. Join this train today. God bless you.